Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 300 RBTS. Double slide out, rear bathroom, washer dryer prep, electric stabilizer jacks, great floor plan, new decor, new cabinetry, new flooring. Let's take a look. Alright, so starting on the outside, you'll see the nice docking LED lights, new decals, nice black and white front cap, power tongue jack with lights, two 30-pound LP bottles, spot for 2 batteries, nice slam latch compartment doors with magnets. You'll see very thick, well insulated. And your pass-through storage, nice and clean. You have a docking area here where you can feed everything through the bottom. Close that door. Keep it heated and insulated. Motion sensor lighting. You'll see the outside shower hookup. Connections for your water to winterize, for city water, for dry camping. Your black tank flush. You have a receptacle and cable hookup. So almost like a fifth wheel, very convenient area with the nice slam latch compartments. You also see power stabilizer jacks, controls for the front and back. You also have a dry weight of 8,096 pounds. Another storage area. Magnetic latches that hold it open. Control for your back jacks. You'll see the LED light in your sewer connection area. You do have factory installed roof ladder for maintenance, prepped for a backup camera. It is a 50 amp service. We do have 2 air conditioners on this one. Receiver on the back, so you can do a bike rack, extra storage, mounted right to the frame. Full length power awning with LED lights. You do have outside speakers. Hookup for TV on the outside, so 110 receptacle and cable hookup. Nice lightweight, clean aluminum steps. Large assist handle. The other side of your pass-through storage. .110 receptacle and hookup for pet leashes. Feed your cords or anything through the bottom so you can keep this door shut. Battery disconnect. Slam latch compartments. Going into the 300 RBTS. Friction hinge doors so they stay wherever you leave them. Nice screen door. Light color linoleum floor. Convenience center here. Turn your lights on, control your slides, your awning, your holding tanks, all from one location. One slide out here has got your theater seating, 12 cubic foot refrigerator, gas and electric. Tons of countertop space, and the bathroom in the back. You'll see the new Pebble Decor, trifold sleeper sofa, and then wall switch for your lights, queen bed that you can walk around, and front wardrobe area. Starting right here, you've got the theater seating. heat, massage, LED lights. All three have footrests that kick out, so you can do the center and the sides. And you also have the drop down for your cup holders or the divider directly across from that TV, which, by the way, is on a swivel arm, so you can turn it and get a better view at the sofa and easy access to your cords, cables, and connections. Lots of countertop space. The other sitting area is your trifold sleeper sofa. We'll take a look at setup and breakdown of that. All right, real quick setup, breakdown of the trifold sleeper sofa. Basically here, 2 cushions with the Velcro backs. Nice travel mode. You got a strap that holds the sofa in place. 2 legs pop out on the bottom. One nice thing here is you've got plenty of storage for those cushion backs, for your pillows, sheets, linens, anything you like. When you drop down, you've got good room to walk around. You can still open up the center and the far side of the sofa if someone's still hanging out. Pretty comfortable and easy setup and breakdown. So pop the back. Again, very lightweight. Pretty easy setup, breakdown, trifold sleeper sofa. You see the roller shades, nice overhead storage. Again, blackout roller shades throughout, but your windows do open, so you get nice cross breeze in the kitchen and in the living area. I mentioned the larger refrigerator. Tons of space there. Staying in the kitchen as if you needed it, you got extra countertop space there. Flush mount cover on the range that acts as a splash guard, or drop it down and got more countertop space there. LED lights, large oven. They've gone to the solid surface sink cover, and you've got the large stainless steel sink. You also have the spray head and tons of overhead storage. Large convection microwave oven, and again, drawers throughout. Probably the best spot for your trash can would be under the sink. Going into the main bathroom, you see the motion sensor lighting that popped on, and you've got the nice glass enclosed shower with linen storage. Hang your towels, and you can also have a solid door with a magnet that closes off. Exhaust fan. You got a window in the back that does have a shade. And good amount of countertop space and vanity space. Your side hallway going into the master bedroom. Nice wardrobe. Nice drawer space. And that queen walk around bed that is on shocks. And you do have a fold out table that can be used out in front of the sofa or the theater seating. soft headboard. Cross breeze again with the windows and lots of overhead storage. And you do have his and her lights. The large wardrobe up front, again motion sensor lighting, is prepped for washer dryer. Remove the shelves and you can go one on each side or do all in one unit. Nice shelving and hanging storage. You do have a spot in the master bedroom for another TV and more storage. Your AM/FM stereo, CD, DVD player with USB port is located here. And you do have charging area down low, receptacles throughout. So brand new floor plan, 2020 Grand Design Reflection 300 RBTS. Thank you guys for watching the video. Really appreciate it. Please continue to subscribe to my channel. Pass it on to friends. I'd love to hear comments, questions you might have. Let me know if there's some floor plans you'd like to see that I haven't posted. I'd love to hear from you. Again, Scott Hudgens, Dodd RV. Family owned and operated since 1956. Love to earn your business. Thanks again.